Order some. $40. Ay, 40 seconds. Go. 1 minute na.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Plaza. How may I assist you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm having trouble opening my room. Please help me.
Oh, sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. And I will assure you that our maintenance, I will check the maintenance immediately. And sorry for the inconvenience. And thank you for your patience. And I will contact you as soon as possible.
I see. Thank you.
Also, do I need any assist?
No, ma'am, nothing. Just Wi-Fi only.
Okay, ma'am. I will assure you that the Wi-Fi will be as soon as possible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.